everybody, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Las Vegas and I just filmed a big plant haul with Star Nursery. Super excited about that. You can see that on a separate video. I want to go ahead and just do one dedicated video to all of the planters that I picked up yesterday at Homegoods. Now you guys know, if you watch my channel, I talk about my planters and where I get them, and majority of them come from TJ Maxx Homegoods in Las Vegas. And I find that I find more planters and variety of planters in the locations here in Las Vegas versus Santa Monica. So that's kind of like a interesting thing to think about. So every location is different, and I love that because you never know what you're gonna find. So I have two huge bags filled with planters. I want to go ahead and talk about them one at a time. I have this one here, which I believe is a planter that I picked up for my mom's place. We do have a new home we're moving into, so I couldn't help but think I have to put a plant in the new home. So I got a rubber plant, which I talked about in my collective haul, and I'm gonna style it in this planter here. Mom's home is like a bluish hue type of vibe going on with cream and white, so it has like a very beachy feel to it. So I found this planter here, and no, there is no drainage hole in this, so I have to be very careful when I go ahead and style the plant in here. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna just put it in a nice nursery planter in here and just go ahead and take it out when it's time to water, or just be very careful when it comes to watering. But I thought this was the perfect planter for the house because of the blue and white theme, and I absolutely love it. And if it doesn't work out, guys, I can take this back to Santa Monica with me and put this as part of my plant collection. As far as for variety wise, it does match my aesthetics of blue and white, so who knows. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna put the rubber plant in here, but for now I'm gonna dedicate this one to my mom's new home in Las Vegas, which I'm super excited to see a plant in the new home. So I have that planter, and now moving along to everything I got for me, which is all in here. I have a bunch of planters that will go back to Santa Monica with me, and then a bunch that will stay here in Las Vegas because I do want a few cactuses in the bedroom here. So at least I have plants surrounding me when I'm here. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one here. Okay. So I got two of these here, and I absolutely love this. This doesn't have a drainage hole, but I just love the style of it. It has like a terracotta vibe to it / cement vibe to it, and I just love the pattern here. So I did get two of these, and I'm thinking I'm gonna style the cactuses that I did get in today's haul video in here, and just kind of have them as a family in here, bunched up, maybe 3 or 4, and I think that'd be super cute here next to the windowsill. There is one window in the bedroom at the new house where I can go ahead and put these planters on there. I'm thinking is what I'm gonna do. And let's see if this is the other one here. Yeah. So here it is. I got two of them, and there was another size, a slightly larger, but I just really like the size of this one. And I think it's gonna work great with having cactuses in here. So super excited about this, and it's like a muted gray, which is a nice neutral color. And what else do I have? Oh, yes. This one, I'm not too sure if it's gonna stay here in Las Vegas at the new house or at my place here, but this is great for another cactus or succulent, a little bit bigger piece here, size-wise compared to this one. They're about the same size, height-wise too, and I just love it. And it has like hues of white and like cream tan in it, and I just absolutely just love the style of this planter. It kind of has like a minimalistic vibe to it with a little bit of sass because of the patterns, and it's textured, so I love that about this planter. And then this one, guys, I couldn't pass up because why? You'll just see in a second. So this is going to go on my plant shelfie, hopefully, if it can all fit on there in my kitchen. So here it is, my last planter in today's haul. This is a blue and white themed planter. I love the aesthetics of these colors because they all go together randomly somehow, and there's a hole in here with a drainage tray on here, so definitely great for a house plant. And I'm going to put my asparagus fern in here, which I'm so excited to do that for it. Guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed sitting down and just watching me talk about planters, which I think is super fun in my opinion. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys love watching these types of videos. Super excited to style these planters here in Las Vegas as well as my home in Santa Monica. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from the Ninth Island. Bye, guys.